your ultimate checklist for HVAC annual maintenance. Your boiler system, furnace system and air conditioning system all require regular maintenance to ensure they function as they should. Not getting an annual maintenance check done may result in excessive energy consumption, gas piping problems, motor damage, AC pressure issues and so on. To help you out, our team at Alliance Energy Source has compiled a checklist for you to follow when getting an annual HVAC system maintenance check. 1. Lubricate all the components so there is no friction. 2. Replace all the filters as they may be clogged or damaged. 3. Check the refrigerant for leakage and fix the leak. 4. Top up the refrigerant. 5. Deep clean condensers and evaporator coils. 6. Check and unclog your AC, boiler and furnace drain box and pipes. 7. Tighten any loose nuts, bolts, screws and piping. 8. Uncover the ducts and furnace venting to remove any debris, mold, dust and nests of hibernating animals or insects. 9. Check thermostat temperature settings and reset the controls. 10. Change batteries where necessary. 11. Inspect to see if the blower motor, venter motor, blowers, blades and heat exchanger are working properly and fix any problems if present. 12. Fix the locks on the HVAC cabinet doors and while inspecting the cabinets, check for leaks, breakage or any other problem. 13. Check and fix any electrical connections. These may be affected if there has been any debris buildup, nesting animals or a severe power outage that fries the connection. 14. Replace any worn-out belts and pulleys. 15. Check the correct functioning of AC high pressure and AC low pressure and fix as necessary. 16. Remove any debris lodged in the outdoor unit. These could become fire hazards.